How to create an account in Audiate. First of all, open the Audiate app and you will see two options, sign in and create a new account. Then click on create a new account. This will open a browser window. Next, you will be taken to the registration form. Enter your email address, then create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure by including letters, numbers, and special characters. After filling in the details, tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions or privacy policy and then click continue. Now you have successfully signed up and will be logged into the Audiate app. You might receive an email to verify your account, so go to your inbox and look for a message from Audiate. Open the email and click the confirmation link. This will confirm your email address and activate your account. And that's it. Now you know how to create an account in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.